Hello student, this is Ashish Ojha and welcome back to Excellence Home Tutorials. Today we will discuss about class 8 mathematics. Rational numbers. In this we have to solve exercise 1.1 in which question number 3 and question number 4 we have to solve it. In question number 3 write each of one of the following in standard form, which is another form write each of the following in ascending order, and question number 4 write each of the following in standard form, and this is another type write each of the following in descending order. So we have to given that we have to set in standard form and we have to set in ascending order also. We have to set in standard form and we have to solve as descending order. So there are two type of question in which we have to standard form, ascending order and descending order. So let's start question number 3. Section A. We have to write it on standard form. Okay, so we have to make a column in which left side rational numbers are written and right side standard form. The standard form of rational number is a rational number in which this is in lowest form and denominator should be positive sign. So minus 3 by 8 is already standard form, so it is written as 5 by minus 12 is written as minus 5 by 12. Minus 7 by 16 is in lowest form and also in standard form. Minus 13 by 18 is in standard form also. So write it as minus 24 equal to, that is 11 minus 11 by 24. So this is the rational number and it is standard form of rational number. As it is, as section A, we can solve this 9 by 25 already in standard form, 2 by 5 already standard form. This is, we have to change minus sign into numerator, and this is also, and this is standard form. So we can solve it as like A, and we have to solve it in ascending order. Question number 3rd A, we have to solve it as ascending order. Okay, so note down first of all, minus 3 by 8, 5 by minus 12, minus 7 by 16, minus 13 by 18, 11 by minus 24. In this question, these rational numbers we have to arrange in ascending order. So if question says that write each of the following in standard form, so you can write all in standard form. If question says that write each of the following is ascending order, so you can proceed this solution. Okay, in this question, first of all you have to make denominators positive, that is equal to minus 3 by 8, comma minus 5 by 12, comma minus 7 by 16, comma minus 13 by 18, and minus 11 by 24. After that, we have to find out LCM of 8, 12, 16 and 18, 24. So 8, 12, 16, 18, 24. We have to find out LCM. 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 2 9 ja, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 9 as it is, 2 6 ja. After that 2 1 ja 2, 3 is written as such, 2 2 ja 4, 9, 2 3 ja 6. After that 2, 3 is written as it is 9, 3. 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, and this 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. LCM of these denominators are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 4 times 2 and 2 times 3. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48 into 3. That is 3 8 ja 24. 2 3 4 ja 12. LCM is 144. So we have to make every denominator as equal to 144. So let's start this LCM. Individually we have to make these denominator equal to 144. That is minus 3 by 8 equal to minus 5 by 12 equal to minus 7 by 16 equal to minus 13 by 18 equal to minus 11 by 24 equal to. So we have to multiply by any number to make one denominator 144. So this is 8. So we remove these numbers, that is 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. Remaining is 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18. So we have to multiply both numbers by 18. That is this. Answer is minus 54 upon 144. And 12 we have to remove. 12 is, that is 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. So remaining is 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So this should be multiplied by 12 to make denominator 144. So this is minus 60 upon 144. After that we have to make 16 equal to 144. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. This should be removed. Remaining is 3 3 ja 9. So we have to multiply these numbers by 9 to make denominator 144. That is 63 upon 144. After that it is 18. That means 3 3 ja 9, 2 ja 18. We should remove this. Remaining is 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. So we have to multiply this rational number by 8 in both denominator and numerator. 13 8 ja 96 upon 144. And after that this is 24. That means 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 2 ja 24. So 6 is remaining. So we have to multiply this by 6. So this is 66 by 144. Now all rational numbers are converted a same denominator as 144. Now we have to compare numerator of these rational numbers. So this is minus 34, this is minus 60, this is minus 63, this is minus 96, this is minus 66. So in these numbers all numbers are in negative. So the rule is this: in negative numbers the greatest number is smallest. The greatest number is smallest. So we can write that since minus 96 is less than minus 66 is less than minus 63 less than minus 60 less than minus 54. You can use upon 144 also. So don't worry about it. You can use 144 in denominator because all denominators are equal. Okay. So answer is this. Minus 96 is minus 13 upon 18 is less than minus 66 is minus 11 by 24 less than after 63 is minus 7 by 16 and after that minus 60 is minus 12 by minus 5 by 12 and this is minus 3 by 8. This is answer which is in ascending order, in which we have to write smallest number, after that greater number, greater number, greater number, compare with left side of the number. This is the solution of these rational numbers which is arranged in ascending order. Okay. Okay, next question लगाएंगे हम लोग section B, which is basically same type of question. Section B is 9 by 25, 2 by 5, 14 by minus 75, minus 19 by 10, 8 by 15. First of all, we have to make the denominator positive sign. Okay, in this only minus 75 is negative sign. So first of all, you have to make this in positive sign. So this is written as it is. So minus 19 by 10, 8 by 15. After that, we have to find out LCM of 25, 5, 75, 10 and 15. So first of all, we have to divide this number by 2 and the result is it, and after dividing 3, 25 is written as it is, 5, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 3 5 ja. After that we have to divide 5 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja. After that 5 1 ja 5, 1 1. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. That means 2 3 ja 6, 5 ja 30, 5 ja 150. This is the LCM of the denominators given. Okay. So we have to make every denominator equal to 150. Let's start. 9 by 25 equal to 2 by 5 equal to minus 14 by 75 equal to minus 19 by 10 equal to 8 by 15 equal to. We have to make 25 equal to 150. So this is 25. So 25 is removed. Remaining 6. So we have to multiply this numerator and denominator by 6. So this is 54. This is 150. And 5 is removed. Remaining is 5 to 10, 3 30. So we have to multiply this by 30 to make equal to the 150. And this is 60 by 150. And this is 75. That is 5 5 ja 25 and 3 ja 75. Remaining 2. So we have to multiply this by 2 denominator and numerator also. So this is minus 28 upon 150. 10 in this, 5 2 are 10, remaining is 15. So we have to multiply this by 15, numerator and denominator. That is after this is 15 and we have to remove 15, remaining is 10. So we have to multiply by this by 10 to make equal to 150 denominator. This is 80 by 150. So we have to apply rule. Since all denominators are equal, so this is 54, this is 60, this is minus 28, this is minus 285, this is 80. In this, first of all negative numbers are less than positive numbers, so both are negative numbers, so both are less than 3 numbers given. Okay, after that in both numbers, minus 285 upon 150 is less than minus 28 by 150. After that this is 54 by 150. After that this is 60 by 150. After that last number is 80 by 150. So hence minus 285 is minus 19 by 10. Minus 28 is equal to minus 14 by 75, less than 54 is 9 by 25, 60 is 2 by 5, and 80 is 8 by 15. So this is the answer for the ascending order of section A and B. So perhaps you will be ready for solve this question. So question number 4 पे आते हैं. Question number 4, standard form. So take a screenshot if possible. Okay. Next moving on, question number 4. Question number 4 पे आते हैं. Question number 4, that is, in this question we have to write in standard form as it is. We can solve this question regarding as question number 3, that is 7 by 8 is also in standard form, minus 20 by 12. After simplify this we can, so let's start question number 4. In this, one column is rational number and second column is standard form. Standard form, this is 7 by 8 minus 20 by 12. This is 15 by minus 16 and 1 by 4. It is 21 by minus 15. So in this, it is in lowest form and denominator is positive. This is divided by 4, 5 ja 20, 4 3 ja, that is minus 5 by 3. In this, we have to make it denominator positive, and this is also in lowest form and denominator positive. We have to divide this 3 7 ja 3 5 ja. So this is 7 by 5 and we have to make denominator positive. So this is standard form. Okay. Similarly, we can solve section B of question number 4, which is also we have to write in standard form, that is minus 5 by 6 is also in standard form, minus 3 by 6 also standard form. So minus minus cancelled out, so 13 by 4 is also in standard form. In this we have to make denominator equal to positive 6, that is minus 17 by 6. This is, we have to simplify this by cancelling by 3, and we have to cancel out this by 3, and after that standard form is here. Okay. Now we have to write all the question number A and B in descending orders. This is similar to question number 3 example, that is in ascending order, but difference is this: in descending order we have to write greatest number, after that smaller number, smaller number, smaller number, after that smallest number we have to write in this descending order. So this is descending order, that is decreasing order, and ascending order is this in increasing. This is decreasing value. Decreasing values are said descending order. Increasing values are ascending order. So remind it. Remember it. Descending order, ascending order. Descending order, ascending order. So you have to remember this concept about descending order and ascending order. So let's start. Example, question number 4a, that is 7 by 8 minus 12 minus 20 by 12, 15 by minus 16, 1 by 4, 21 by 15. First of all, you have to make the denominator positive. So 7 by 8 is also in positive integers, so don't worry about it. And 50 minus 15 by 16. After that 1 by 4. After that minus 21 by 15. After this this line, we have to take LCM of 8 denominator, 12, 16, 4 and 15. So to find out LCM of these numbers, we have to divide this by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 2 ja 4 and 15. After that 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 15. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 15. 2 1 3 1 1 15. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja, after that 5. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is 4 times, that is this, and 3 into 5. LCM is 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 16, 5 ja 80, 80, 3 ja 24, that is 240. This is the LCM of all denominators. So we have to make every denominator equal to 240. That means equivalent rational number. We have to make equivalent rational numbers whose denominator is 240. So let's start. 7 by 8 equal to minus 20 by 12 equal to minus 15 by 16 equal to minus 1 by 4 equal to minus 21 by 15 equal to. We have to make every denominator equal to 240. So this is 8. So we can remove 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. Remaining is this 3 2 ja 6, 5 ja 30. So we have to multiply these numbers, that is numerator and denominator, by 30, and result is 210 by 240. After that minus 20 by 12. So we can remove 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, and remaining 2 2 ja 4, 5 ja 20. So we have to multiply this by 20, numerator and denominator also. So this is minus 400 upon 240. This is 16, that is 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. We have to remove this. Remaining is 3 5 ja 15. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 15. So this is minus 225 upon this is 240. After that 4. This is 4. So remove this and multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. So we have to multiply this by 60, numerator and denominator also. So 60 by 240. And 15, that is 3 5 ja 15. This removed. This is removed. Remaining is 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 16. That is this, and this is. So all rational numbers denominator are changed. In other words, we can say that every rational numbers has equivalent rational number whose denominators are equal. So firstly, you have to remember that all negative numbers are less than positive number. So minus 400, minus 225 and minus 336 all are less than 210 and 60. So we have to observe that 210 is greater than 60. So since we have to write, since 210 upon 240 is greater than 60 upon 240. After that, in number line, we have observed that in right side of 0 all positive and negative are left side of the 0. And when we move from 0 to infinity, 0 to left side, so their values are in decreasing order. Their values are decreasing order. So firstly, in this minus 400, minus 225, minus, this is left side. This is right side of those numbers, that is minus 336 and minus 400. So minus 225 upon 240 is greater than minus 336 by 240, greater than minus 400 upon 240. Okay, after that, hence we can say that 210 is 7 by 8 is greater than 60 is 1 by 4, greater than minus 225 is minus 15 upon 16, greater than minus 21 by 15, greater than minus 20 by 12. So this is the solution of this question in descending order. So the method is, first of all, you have to take LCM. We have to make the denominator positive. After that, take LCM, and you can find out the equivalent rational number whose LCM, whose denominator is equal to LCM, and after that you can compare these numbers. These numbers basically in numerator. After that you can solve this and you can write down answer. Okay. Similarly, no. इस तरह no. Question number B. Question number B. Moving on, question number B. This is the similar question, that is section A. So B is minus 5 by 6, minus 3, minus 13 by minus 4, 17 by minus 6, minus 21 by 12, minus 12 by 9. First of all, you have to make denominator positive. So let's make all denominator positive. So this is cancelled. So minus 17 by 6 and minus 21 by 12 and minus 12 by 9. Taking LCM of 6, 4, this is also 6, so we have to write in one time. So dividing by 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 9, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 3 ja 36. So LCM is 36. We have to make every rational number equivalent rational number whose denominator is 36. So let's write it as it is. 13 by 4 minus 17 by 6 minus 21 by 12 minus 12 by 9. Okay. So this is 6. So you have to remove 6. The remaining is 6. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. That is minus 30 by 36. And this is 1. So we have to multiply this by 36. Both sides. Both numerator and denominator. That is 108 and 36. And this is 4, we have to remove 4, and this is 9, so we have to multiply by 9, 4 into 9. And this is, and 6 is, we have to remove this and multiply by 6, both numerator and denominator. This is 102. And 12 is, we have to remove this, and remaining is, we have to multiply by 3, both of the numerator and denominator. This is 3 1 ja 3, 2 ja 6, there is 36 and 36. And there is 9, so we have to remove 9. We have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4. So 9 into 4 equal to minus 48 upon 36. So both all the denominator is equal to 36. So we can compare the numerators of these rational numbers, that is almost negative. So this is only in positive number. So positive number is always greater than the negative number. So this is, since 117 upon 36 is greater than, this is greater than greatest number. After that we can compare minus 30, minus 108, 102, minus 33 and so on. In this, minus 30 is greater than other numbers because this is smallest number. In negative numbers, smallest number is greater than others greatest number. So minus 48 upon 36 is greater than minus 63 by 36, greater than 102, minus 102 upon 36. After that minus 108 upon 36. This is the answer, and this is in the form of, and 117 is 13 by 4 is greater than minus 30 is minus 5 by 6, and minus 48 is minus 12 by 9, and minus 63 is minus 21 by 12, minus 102 minus 17 by 6, 108 is minus 3 by 1, that is it. This is the answer. So we can make the question very easily. So these are the solutions in ascending and descending order. So like the videos, share